Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ron. Just want to say thank you for clicking on that link. Now, I want to tell you a little bit more about Holiday Gold Rush. It is a quick and easy system you can implement, and you can start generating results in as little as 24 to 48 hours. It is an amazing program. You can start generating quick and easy paydays that are like $50 to $130. Perfect just in time for the holidays to pay some bills or help some family out, or maybe even, like treat yourself to something good if you want. We all need some extra cash, right? This is an amazing system. It's made by Bill Spencer and a guy named Will. They all created it. We're all really good friends. Now, I want you guys to check out, even on the sales page, when you guys go there, you'll see a quick testimonial by Ronnie Raymond Modellier, which is myself. And just really implement this stuff, take action, you'll begin to see results. And it is an amazing system. I wouldn't recommend anything that I don't believe in, and I truly believe in this because I've tried it out and I have generated results. So click on the link below, guys, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.